Hello, this is Nindy Kerr and welcome to another video from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we are going to do what I call a double embossing folder card front. Now we are using a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch piece of cardstock, and it will fit and cover the whole card base. We are using 2 mini embossing folders. You can choose any mini embossing folders you want. You can mix and match. They always come in a set of 2. And you're just going to put one on one side. Let me see. What? I guess on that one it doesn't matter. It's the squares. And we want raised dots, so we will put this side on the top. This is a quick and easy background technique, so just lay them down. And you have to have them running sideways, otherwise they're too wide to fit. And then you just, oops, I forgot to take the one layer out. So remember to take that layer out. And these are regular embossing folders, not 3D, so we'll take out our embossing folders. And you can see the cool pattern. All you'll need is a ribbon or something, and either a die cut sentiment or a punched out sentiment to add to your card. So enjoy playing with your mini embossing folders. Thanks for watching. Bye.